Well, in fact, there is a well-defined home for LTFS in a software-defined environment. So with Spectrum Scale, which is the file and object facility, we take, in a sense, almost the opposite approach of what I just described with XIV. So XIV is, by nature of the beast, each instance is homogeneous. Spectrum Scale is quite heterogeneous. And within Spectrum Scale, we have storage pools, flash and disk and slow disk and tape, which is implemented through LTFS. So the tape represents itself as a directory mount point into the Spectrum Scale file system. So you can then establish a policy that says when original files or objects are created by a certain user, put them in this pool. With a certain descriptor, put them in that pool. Aging beyond a certain age, move them from this high-performance pool to a slow-performing pool. And tape actually occupies one of those pools through this LTFS software portal. So in file and object, since you have more information about what the data is, and in fact you have encapsulation of an entire file or a file set or objects and metadata for the objects, you actually do have a chance to do intelligent data placement at the storage system level, as opposed to block storage, which was the Spectrum Accelerate example, where none of that intelligence is natively present in the disk array. For those, you rely on higher level constructs to say, put the right stuff on the right array at the right time. For file and object, at the moment we're going down the path of supporting multiple tiers and policy within the file and object infrastructure to do data placement. You can, if you choose, still demand that policy be inserted up above and formally place data only in one storage repository and not use the quality of service or policies within Spectrum Scale itself. But we actually think that policy enforced and implemented at the storage array level or storage facility level for file and object is actually going to be a very useful thing, probably for quite some time to come.